Hello, I am Maximilian.
And I'm Philip.
We are students from the Hasso-Plattner Institute at the University of Potsdam. Today, we want to share some background information on our research project MotionViz we did in cooperation with our research partner Digital Masterpieces.
MotionViz is an iOS mobile app that enables everyone to annotate motion of people in videos. This type of video is very popular on various social media platforms, such as TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. However, creating such a video is very time-consuming.
Let's take a look on how we would traditionally create an effect like this, which simply outlines the silhouette of the dancer, for example by using Adobe After Effects. Using a brush, the outline of the dancer is painted directly on the video on a per-frame basis. This step is repeated multiple times until the desired duration of the effect is reached. In this example, I painted 15 frames, resulting in about half a second of video. The annotation process took about 7 minutes. Even in slow motion, the resulting effect is very short and jittery. In contrast thereto, creating the silhouette with our MotionViz app only takes a tap and a few seconds. In addition, the result looks much more appealing, stable, and can be applied for longer durations.
To implement these motion effects, we are using the multi-sensor video capturing hardware of the new iPhone 12 Pro or the iPad Pro. Beside a multi-camera system, a LiDAR scanner is used to acquire precise information of the surroundings. We further use the ARKit API to write our own AR video capturing. Besides the RGB color information, we are additionally capturing depth information and a human segmentation map at 60 frames per second. All three data streams are stored together in one multi-dimensional video file using the MP4 container and the MPEG codec. For effect generation, we are using the segmentation map and the depth map to create a vector path of the silhouette. The vector path is then added as an overlay over the actual RGB video, creating a basic outline. The vector rendering allows us to control basic semiotic variables such as shape, size, and color. In combination with GPU-based processing techniques, we can generate a plenitude of different effects.
Our app starts with a blank timeline. An effect is added by simply tapping on one of the effect icons. For effects with a fixed duration, the effect is directly added to the timeline. For effects with no fixed duration, a longer tap results in a longer application of the effect. The effect presets are just the starting point of the creation process. For each effect, we can individually adjust the parameters. For that, we tap on the effect timeline and then on Adjust. This opens the Edit menu. Here we find different parameters to configure the effect. For example, I can modify the primitive interval to create a solid or a dotted line. Increasing the smoothing yields circular primitives instead of rectangles. And finally, let's change the line color to white and apply a chalk-like texture. The different parameters give us maximum control over the creative process.
Now let's explore the other effects of our MotionViz app. All our effects are based on the human silhouette. In contrast to the contour effect, the silhouette effect features an explosion-like in- and outer animation. The twin effect builds on the same concept but duplicates the silhouette multiple times on a horizontal axis. The halo effect also duplicates the silhouette but places and enlarges it around the human. As the name suggests, the freeze effect freezes the silhouette while the video continues. Similar to the main effect, our app also allows to modify the intro and outro animation. For example, parameters such as line length and the offset can be adjusted to create a larger explosion as an outro animation for the freeze effect.
To summarize, we present MotionViz, an iOS app that enables everybody to add stunning motion effects to videos. The multi-camera system with a LiDAR scanner of the iPhone 12 Pro gives us multi-dimensional video data such as depth and segmentation at 60 frames per second. With this information, our app creates motion effects at interactive frame rates. The MotionViz user interface provides editing tools with different levels of control, enabling the user to create videos with very little effort. At the same time, it offers editing capabilities to adjust nearly every aspect of the effects.
We hope that you enjoy our presentation and that you have become curious to try MotionViz for yourself. We kindly invite you to participate in our public beta by scanning the QR code or writing us an email. Thanks again for watching and enjoy the SIGGRAPH.